What's up guys, present here. Today I'm going to show you how you can deploy a web app, a React web app to Vercel or Zeit. Well, the first step is to create a new repository because in order to deploy a web app, a React web app to Vercel, you need to specify with what repo do you want to deploy. So you need to link your GitHub account or your GitLab account or your Bitbucket account. So I'm going to create a new repo. I'm going to name it deploy test. I'm going to make it a private repo and not a readme file. Now what I need to do is to copy this URL to clone this repo into my computer. So I'm going to open a terminal in here and I'm going to clone the repo. Now what I need to do is to create a new React app by typing npx create React app, and then I need to specify the name of my application. I'm going to call it deployed app. Well, this is going to take a while, so we need to wait a little bit. Well, now that is done, I'm going to copy all the files of my application into my repository, and then I need to test my application as well. Well, I'm going to test my application and see if it's working or not. So I'm going to move to the directory of my application, which is cd deployed test. Okay, now I need to type npm start and see what's going on here. Well, it's starting the development server, so we need to wait just a few seconds. And as we can see, it was compiled successfully. We can see now the React application, which is a really basic one, but is what it was built with Create React app. Now we need to deploy this application, but first we need to push all the changes that we made to the repo to the online repo. So to achieve this, we need to make the commits and then push all the commits. But here we can see the status of the repository, and to push all the changes I already create, or I already have a script to deploy, or sorry, not to deploy, to push all the changes to the online repo. So I'm going to push all the changes, and now I'm done. And let me check if the changes are in the online repository, and they are in here. Now I'm going to import the project. Continue. And what I need to do now is to paste the URL of my repository into Vercel in order to continue with the process of the deployment. And I need to specify the project name. I'm going to leave it as well as is in here, and automatically detected that the framework which it was created, my application was with Create React app. But as well, if you can use Next.js or any other JS framework that you can find on the market right now, then it's going to work as well. So anyway, you can use any of these frameworks. Now, if you have environment variables, you need to specify those variables in here, but I'm not going to specify anything because I do not have any variable environment variables. And I'm going to deploy it, and this is going to be really fast. It takes from 30 seconds to 1 minute to finish all the deployment process, so it's really fast, it's really quickly, and that's what I love to deploy applications with Vercel. So now it is installing the dependencies, and we need to wait a little bit to complete all the deployment process. So well, and it's done. That's it. It was really fast. It took less than a minute. Now we can see our application by clicking here, and yeah, our application is deployed. It was deployed. It was totally easy. It was really fast, and that's what I usually deploy my front-end applications, or the front-end part of my applications with Vercel. And well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave any comment below. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. And that's it. I see you next time, guys.